Hello everyone, this is Kang and I'll be unboxing something big tonight. As you can see, it's so big, you can see me. This is the Xigmatek ZEST Case. Wait, I need to move it on the side so you can see me. Hi! Okay, so we'll be unboxing this right now. How do you start? No, I'll start here. Wait. I don't need anybody's help. I'm strong. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna open it from here. Why? Okay, fine. I'm gonna open it on the top portion of the box. What? Okay, let's do this. Good thing I can reach it. So big. Gosh, it's bigger than me. Open. I have my mentor here. Mine going here. Mine joining me. Mr. Jesse Nocom of Tips Geeks. Okay, do it. Pull this out.
Like. Do it now. No.
What? Oh. Ah, okay. I do it. Okay, thank you so much, Jesse Nocom, for that. Okay, I still need Jesse Nocom's help. The other side. Okay. Oh. Ta-da! Okay, let's set this aside. This is a really big box. There you go. Okay. Careful. Okay, we're done. Shucks. Wait. It's so heavy. Hold on. Gonna flip it over. Finally, we're done. So I'm inviting Jesse Nocom from Tips Geeks again to discuss more about this product. Yes, thank you so much, Jesse Nocom. Very good. Nicely done.
First things first. Weirdly loose. It's weirdly loose. See?
Is it supposed to be like that?
I'm not sure.
No. It shouldn't.
Okay, we'll find out later. Okay, so let's take out the
Tempered
Tempered
glass. Both
Could
panels?
you put this?
No,
Yep.
just one side.
Both, yeah,
Just one side.
So let's look at the inside of it.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so looking at the inside, on the front, we see
Hard drive base.
no here on the
front.
On the front. So starting with the front here, it's not lit up, but you would see two 280mm fans, which are rainbow RGB. Okay, it's called rainbow RGB because I don't think that it has its own RGB software to control it. And then of course here at the back we see 120mm fan. Okay, so moving inside, just take this off. Moving inside the case, of course we have this 3.5-inch HDD bay here. We have this shroud for if ever you want to have your GPUs vertical for your vertical GPUs, and of course this supports up to an E80X motherboard. Okay. On top we have this
magnetic dust filter.
Okay, and then of course on top it supports up to 360 millimeter radiator. Of course, if you want to have your radiator on the front, it also supports a 360 millimeter radiator. What else?
PSU.
Of course, we have the PSU slot here. And then at the back, it has the RGB controller. Okay, so that everything is synced, I think. Yeah, I would think so. And then we have the 2.5-inch HDD or an SSD here. Yeah. So I think that's about it for now. What else can we discuss?
There's more here.
Yeah, that's the HDD bay for the front. No, it's separate HDD base.
Yeah,
So additional HDD base. You can put your extra HDD base, HDDs here or SSDs, depending on your preference. There are 2 extra here. Okay, and then it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 slots for at least a 2.5 inch. Then of course 4 slots for the 3.5 inch. Yeah, that's about it. But I still find it weird that this is loose.
It shouldn't be loose.
And then of course here on top are the chassis buttons. We'll find out more on the review.
Oh, that's
Thanks so
not it.
much.
Wait, you say bye properly.
Bye. This
What?
has been Jesse from This Geeks.
And Kang. I hope to see you next time on our next video. Bye.